Y'all know what is this? The pulleys. And you know, always when we go off-road, we mess them up. Don't throw them out. Don't throw them out. I'm going to show you how to fix them real quick. See the center? Where the bearings is? You can chop them out. Something skinny, like a little blade. See that? It gets dirty. So what you're going to do, you're going to clean them up. I'm going to clean them up real quick. I'll put a little bit of gas or diesel, whatever. Clean them out. Air out. Now they're all cleaned up. So now that it's all cleaned up, I use a little bit of spray. Even when they're new, you open it up before you put them on, put some grease on it. So I forgot that I was using it to grease the dry shaft of my friend's FJ, but we still got a little bit left. Show you real quick. So you stick it in. Make sure you grab some enough that goes inside the bearings. See that? Now you take the cover and it'll go back in. There you got it. That's why I don't throw them out. See? I keep all of them. And I always got my pulleys good. This is a bad one. You can hear the difference. After you finish, look.